A three-day national seminar on next generation GST reforms in India, implications on equity, efficiency and inclusive economic growth commenced at the ICFAI University Tripura campus on Wednesday. Tripura Finance Minister Pranajit Singha formally inaugurated the seminar as the chief guest.
And institutions across country. I am confident that the deliberate
The high-profile academic event, which runs until June 5th, is being jointly organized by the Faculty of Management and Commerce, ICFAI University Tripura, and the Indian Council of Social Science Research. Tripura Finance Minister Pranajit Singha formally inaugurated the seminar as the chief guest. The inaugural ceremony was also graced by ICFAI University Vice-Chancellor Professor Dr. Biplab Haldar and Registrar Dr. A. Raghunath, alongside distinguished guest speakers, faculty members, researchers and students.
Which is ultimately borne by consumers. Rationalization of rates can reduce the tax burden on essential goods and services used by ordinary households. Automated scrutiny and risk-based enforcement have improved voluntary compliance. For Tripura,
the formal session concluded with a word of thanks delivered by Dr. Partha Pratim Sakya, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Management and Commerce. Pure Report, Chini, Khorang.